TTP Kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey kids! Are you ready? Wow, great! Let's do it! Hey kids! Today we are gonna draw healthy breakfast. Please start to draw with me. It's very interesting. First I am drawing a fried egg. Come on, please start to draw with me. Now I am drawing an apple. I like apple. Hey kids, what's your favorite fruit? Wow, great job! And here is a strawberry shake. Hey kids, I like strawberry shake. Do you like strawberry shake? Now I am drawing a bread. Now here is a cereal. I like cereal. It's so yummy. Do you like cereal? Now here is a milk box. Yellow color. Wakey. Red color. Brown color. Wakey. Pink color. I like pink color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Light blue color. Wow, great job! Brown color. Peach color. Kids, I like to eat healthy breakfast. Do you like to eat healthy breakfast? Purple color. Blue color. Brown color. Yum 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 yum. It looks so yummy. Blue color. Silver color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Hey kids, I like to eat healthy breakfast. Do you like to eat healthy breakfast? Wow, done. It looks so yummy. Wow, great job. Bye bye. See you in the next video.